Does anybody know what that noise is? As you can see, you see movement right there. You see movement. Are those fish that are trapped within the grass there, I guess? But if you see them, they're just jumping and moving. Yeah, wow, that's interesting. It's gotta be fish. Oh wow, some just jumped right there. Y'all, I'm scared to fish this area because I'm wondering what the heck is in here. Oh wow, is that a fish? I think there's a fish moving within that. You heard that noise? I think I'm about to fish here for a second. What is that? What the heck is it? What's the electricity? I don't really see anything moving. Some bubbles coming up. Yeah, those are fish. See there? Yeah. Those are absolutely fish. What the heck? So I guess they have the booms to keep trash from going over there when they open up the floodgate. I'm not sure what the heck this noise is. I'm really puzzled by it. It looked like a fish right there. It absolutely looked like a fish that was right there. Yep, it's a fish. I see the fin now. They're all in there. Wow. Are they dying? There's one on the other edge right there. Yeah, see? Oh, it's a little baby fish. Little baby catfish. Yeah, I'm scared to catch them. My freaking hand might fall out. This is crazy.